Good morning, Jai Hind, Namaskar students. You all are welcome in Omkar English Medium School's digital classroom and in my YouTube channel Tushar Joshi's Maths Club. So, in last week we have completed exercise 3.3 completely. Okay, with the method of substitution. So today we have to learn exercise 3.4 and the one of the IMP, you can say, elimination method. Okay, so let's go ahead towards the exercise 3.4 and substitution method. Question number first question. X plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So x plus y equal to 5, equation number 1. 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y equal to 4, equation number 2. Okay, so guys, now here see, here is only x. In first equation there is only x and here it is 2x. Suppose here if it is 2x, it's not given, but if it would be 2x and here is also 2x, so 2x and 2x we can cancel out. Here if you will directly simplify, okay, if you will write directly like this, 2x plus x, 3x, y minus 3y minus 2y equal to 9. So again new equation you will get. So if you will solve that equation with first or second, so again new equation you will get, and again, so many equations you will get, but finally answer will not come. Equations will increase and increase and increase if you will not do anything, say any type of setup, and if you will directly simplify this all of the things, so answer will not come and equations will increase. So what to do? We should match either x or y with other equation, so that using some rules of mathematics we can cancel out something, one variable, either x or y. So see, you have to just see, don't write any student. So first what I am going to do, first I will eliminate x. You have to see how I will eliminate, and then I will eliminate y. Okay, and answer will come. So here you can see, to eliminate x, to eliminate x, let multiply equation 1 with 2, so that x plus y equal to 5. This is your first equation, so that equation you have to multiply with 2. So new equation, what you will get, x into 2x, means this all terms you have to multiply. Okay, all terms, so that is 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Okay, now what about, let me say this equation number 3rd. Students, wait 1 minute. Here brightness is not proper, I think so. Today our screen is little bit dull. So wait a minute. Let me do something. No, sorry, it is correct. As always, nothing is dull. Actually, my brightness was dull. Brightness was laptop was dull. Okay, so now here let me come again on the point. So here, see, this is your third equation. Now this is your second equation. Now you can do something with this equation. So this equation third I will remain as it is. Okay, so let me write the second equation, the below side of third. So what you can write to x minus 3y equal to 4, and this is equation number 2 as here we have mentioned. So now see here 2x, but both are plus, and to cancel out that any one should be minus. So what we can do, last year so many times that thing we have done, and now in 8th standard first chapter also this kind of questions come. So what we can do here, we have to change the sign. So as per a rule of mathematics, actually we cannot change the sign at one place, but to change the sign, it means that actually if you do the interpretation, when I will say that let me change the sign, so you, some question should be in your mind. Sir, can we change the sign as ourselves? Can we change the equation? Which equation is given? Can we do any type of changes in that equation? No. First of all, we cannot do any kind of setting with the equations. But to changing the sign of equation, it means that you are multiplying both the side, minus 1 and minus 1. See here, let me show you. 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So I am changing the sign of this equation. So what will happen? 2x plus 3y equal to minus 4. How I can do this? Because I have multiplied minus 1 and minus 1 both the side. Minus 1 I can multiply this, you know very well, same number we can multiply, but it should be multiplied both the side, not from not with the single side. Okay, so I have multiplied minus 1 both side. As per rule of mathematics, you can multiply. Why? Because you can again cancel out the same thing, so the basic same equations will come. Okay, if you again cancel out minus 1 and minus 1, so what will come? The basic equation it was given as it is, will same come as it is. So see here, if I have multiplied minus 1 with this equation, so you can see here all signs will be changed, as well as the sign of 4 also will be changed. Okay, so that as per rule of mathematics we can do that, but you have to must mention that, and you have to must remember that multiplication should be both the side. It's not should be like that one side only have change the sign and the another side it's as it is. It's not, you cannot do like that. Okay, that's the murder of mathematics. As I always say, that is the murder of mathematics, that you cannot do. Okay, so let me come back again on the our topic. So now see, so I have multiplied with minus 1 equation number 2. So in short we say that I have changed the sign. Okay, so now sign will change. So all signs have changed. Okay, so now this 2x is now minus 2x, minus 3y is plus 3y, and 4 is minus 4. Now one more thing you have to remember. After changing the sign, you have to remember the new sign. You have to consider the new sign. So that what will happen now? This 2x and minus 2x will cancel. And because you have to consider the new sign, so 2y plus 3y, 5y equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Okay? So now y equal to what? 6 by 5. And if you put that value of y, if you put in equation number 1 or 2 or 3, so you will get value of x. Now you people substitute value of y in equation number either 1, 2 or 3 and tell me what is the value of x. Tell me fast.
User A asking for keys, right?
Okay, so if you substitute value of y in either first, second or third equation, so x equal to 19 by 5 you will get.
So when this one and
Some steps I have cut
what will happen? I am sending public key to
because,
directly.
yes Pritesh, very good, 19 by 5, very good. Because this substitution part you have already learned in previous exercise. So it's not required to solve again and again the same kind of question because we have to go for next question. That's why. Okay, so here what you have to write after getting value of y, you have to write that let's substitute value of y in equation number either 1, 2 or in third. So you will get the value of x, that is 19 by 5. Okay, so it was the one kind of method so that I have cancelled out the x. But now some student will ask me, sir, every time we have to cancel out x only. Why we cannot cancel out the y? You can definitely cancel out the y. So that second method I am going to show you. So see here, to eliminate y. Okay, eliminate y. So again we will write the same equation. First equation, x plus y equal to 5. And again, yes, here we have done, again we will multiply with some number. But which number? Here y is 3. So this set of first equation we will multiply with 3. So what will come? 3x 3y equal to 15. And again this second equation we will write as it is like here only. So what will come? 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Here 3y is plus and here 3y is minus. So no need to change of sign. Okay, so directly we can cancel. So here see, we have changed this sign, but here no need to change of sign. Why? Because it's already plus and it's already minus. So directly we can cancel out. So 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 15 plus 4, 19. So value of x is equal to 19 by 5. Directly you will get, see here, value of x is 19 by 5. Here value of x is 19 by 5.
You can understand this diagram?
Okay, and if you substitute this value in either first equation, let me write, this is your new equation. So this is your again equation number 3 and it was your equation number 2 only. Okay, so if you substitute this value in either first, second or third equation, so you will get the value of y equal to 6 by 5. So in short, a method says that which variable you have to eliminate, you want to eliminate. So you have to consider that variable's coefficient, and another equation you have to multiply with the same coefficient. Again I am repeating, which variable you want to eliminate, you have to consider that variable's coefficient and the another equation you have to multiply with that coefficient. Okay, so here both method you can say, actually it's not both method, but I have element here x and here I have element y. So any variable you can eliminate. It's not compulsory that x only you have to eliminate or y only you have to eliminate. Okay, choice. Okay, so fourth question, x by 2, 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. So fourth question, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. Equal to minus
Whenever you
1.
send in this information,
And
you send this information.
x minus y by 3, x minus y by 3 equal to 3.
So
Equal to
I want to send this information.
So this is your equation number first.
I have already got.
This is your equation number second. So now first of all,
There are so many other
here we can do
anyhow.
so many things. See, first of all, directly
This one, now I am the receiver.
with 1 by 2 we can
Once I
multiply.
receive this one,
Equation number second, we can multiply with 1 by 2. So here x by 2 will come and x by 2 and x by 2 will cancel. But afterward, here will come 6 if you are going to multiply 1 by 2. So here will come 6 and here is 3. So little bit confusion
I receive that one.
you can have.
I have another.
Because in simplification part, so many confusions will come. So let me first of all simplify this both of the equation. When you have to remember these only things, that when this kind of fraction format they will give. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to first of all simplify this both of the equation. You have to remove this fraction format. Okay. So here see. For equation number first, we can write
So same thing like here.
x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. So cross multiplication, 3x plus 4y by 6 equal to minus 1. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Equation number third. Okay. Same. For equation number 2, we can write
Any kind of junk, like it looks like junk, but same thing, same algorithm will be used other than using the same. But on the internet, no one can see your method, and the other person.
this portion I have removed because I have to use this another case. Okay, but we have to write in full statement. Okay, for equation number 1 we can write, and for 2 we can write. Okay, so now for equation number 2, again cross multiplication. So what is given, x minus y by 3 equal to 3. So cross multiplication, 3x minus y by 3 equal to 3. So 3x minus y equal to 9. That is your equation number 4. Okay, so third equation is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. And fourth equation is 3x minus y equal to minus 9. So now we will eliminate equation number 3 and 4 variable x. So now see here, 3x, this is the third part. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9. Here what should be our next step? To eliminate x, we have to change the sign. So now plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So 3x will cancel. 4y plus y, 5y equal to minus 9 minus 6 minus 15. So value of y equal to minus 3. Okay. Value of y minus 3. And if you put that value in equation number either first or second or third or fourth, so you will get value of x. So let me substitute this value. Let's substitute value of y in equation number 4. As always, you have to write in full statement. Let's substitute value of y in equation number 4. So 3x minus y equal to 9. 3x minus minus 3 equal to 9. 3x minus minus plus. So that plus will go other side. So 9 plus 3, 12. So value of x is equal to 4. So value of x is equal to 4. So one more thing, you have to write this answer, all answer, in this kind of all answer in solution set. I have explained you what is the solution set. Okay, so you have to write the answer x comma y equal to value of x is 4, value of y is minus 3. So answers format should be this format. Okay, so nobody can cut even your half of mark. Otherwise what happens during the examination of board, up to here if you have written value of x and y, so actually nobody can cut your marks. But if you have crossed the barrier of 90%, means 80 marks, so if you have crossed out of 80 marks 72 marks, you have 75 76 marks, so then examiners, means the paper checkers, will find the probability to cut your marks. They will get the chances, they will find the chances where I can cut the student's mark. So here if solution set you don't have written, so he can cut. I am not saying that he will cut definitely, but you have given the chance. Okay, so he can. IMP, this is full second question is IMP. Now you will say that so many times sir says IMP. How many IMPs are there? So it's not like that. In every chapter I will not say that this is IMP, because this is the 8 mark chapter. Just you think. Okay, so in 8 mark one question will come 4 mark, 2 question will come in 2 mark, 2 question will come in 1 mark. So they have so many choice, so many questions, so from so many pages they can ask. Okay, so from first page to last page of the cover of textbook we should learn. But this is, again I am saying, these all questions are your IMP kind question. Especially first and fifth question, you can see here clearly. First and fifth question I have mentioned IMP. Okay, so second question I am going to solve. Instruction, first of all we should read. From the pair of linear equation following problem, find their solution if they exist. Means if there is solution, so we have to find. But if there is no solution, so what we can do? But definitely here for all questions solution we should have. By, they have specified elimination method. Okay. So when they have given clear instruction that you have to solve these questions by elimination method only, so you cannot use another method. So since this is your first question, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduced to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So we have to find the fraction. So let us solve on the board. How to numerator reduce 1 to denominator. So now let assume x is equal to numerator and y equal to denominator. So now your fraction, original fraction, is x upon y. So as per first condition, what we can write, x add 1 to numerator, so x plus 1 reduce 1 to denominator, y minus 1, so fraction reduced to 1, okay, so equal to 1. So x plus 1 equal to cross multiplication y minus 1, so x minus y equal to 2. This is the equation number first. Very simple, no need to waste so much time. Again see, add 1 to numerator, numerator is x, so that I have added 1. Reduce 1 to denominator, denominator is y, so that I have reduced 1 from y, means from the denominator. So x plus 1 upon y minus 1 equal to 1, because they have said that fraction reduced to 1. So it is 1. And after simplification you will get x minus y equal to 2. Now for second condition, they have given that it becomes 1 by 2, means it becomes 1 by 2, so that I have directly written 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to denominator, means numerator is not changing, so numerator is x only and y plus 1, because they have added 1 to denominator, so 1 plus y. Okay, so it is 1 by 2. Again cross multiplication, so 2x is equal to y plus 1. As always, one side variable, one side constant, so 2x minus y equal to 1. This is your equation number 2. So let's solve equation number 1 and 2. I am showing you here. Minus 1, y minus 1, x minus y equal to minus 2 will come, because 1 will go other side, so minus 2x minus y equal to minus 2. So here it will come minus 2. And what for second equation, is it correct? 2x, yes, that is correct. So now that is cancel minus 2, so here it will come minus 3. Minus 3 will come, minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus cancel from both sides, so value of x is 3. And if you put that value of x is 3 here, 3 2s are 6, 1 minus 6, minus 5, minus y equal to minus 5. I have done small mistake here, mistake of sign it was there. See here. So x is 3, so 2 into 3 minus y equal to 1, 6 minus y equal to 1, minus y equal to minus 5, because 1 minus 6, so minus 5, y equal to 5, and fraction x by y, fraction is 3 by 5. So this is your answer, fraction x by y equal to 3 by